everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. I'm going to share my screen. Hey, Dean. Welcome, Dean. Welcome. All right, guys. All right. So let's go over the markets. Um, the news of the day: the dollar gave a sell signal, guys. All right. So the dollar gave a sell signal. Hey, Betty. Welcome, Betty. So if you guys look right here, all right, we have a sell signal on the dollar index. Right. Broke support. All right. So broke support. Hey, Solomon, welcome. Broke support right here, guys. All right. Yellow line right here. That's your support. All right. Red candle. All right. So that's not good for the dollar pairs. All right. That's not good for the dollar pairs. Um, so we have a sell signal on the dollar index. All right. Hey, Bruce, welcome. Bruce, welcome. All right. So again, right, dollar give a sell signal here. All right. So we'll take a look at the dollar pairs, see how they're doing. All right. Currently the market was up again, did really well. But nothing has changed, right? We don't have any buy signals. Even on the 240-minute time frame, we don't have any buy signal on any of the equity indexes. All right, so the Dow, S&P, Nasdaq. Currently, it's they're up a bit. Okay. All right. So that's the market. If you guys look here, so nothing has changed. All right, nothing has changed. The VIX is at 24, so that's still high. All right, so still high. All right, 24 on the VIX. The Dow is still in the markdown phase. All right, so still in the markdown phase. Sell short signal here, right? Red candles. All right. The S&P closed today with a white candle. All right, closed today with a white candle. But again, still short signal still in place. Russell, right, still trading near support. All right, still trading near support there. And the Nasdaq, we do have green candles on the Nasdaq. All right, but no buy signal. All right, no buy signal, no sell short signal right now on the Nasdaq. All right, all the sectors, the VIX, like I said, still up. All the sectors are still down. All right. All the sectors are down. Indexes are down. All right. Crude. We'll take a look at crude. Crude is down. All right. Gold is up. All right. So we'll take a look at gold. Gold is making a move, guys. Gold is absolutely making a move. We sent out a buy signal last week on GLD. All right. On gold. We'll take a look at that. All right. All right. So here's gold right here. Gold is the only sector, guys, that's up. Hey, Joe, welcome, Joe, welcome. All right. So if you guys look here, gold, right, is the only sector that's up right now, right? Some of the sectors did well today, but hasn't changed the overall trend. If you guys look here, materials was up. It was the highest one up. 1.71% up for the day, but look here, look at the chart here. All right. So nothing has really changed. Okay. Let's take a look at Monster Futures. Monster Futures. We don't really have any buy signals right here. The euro dollar, we've been watching the euro dollar. All right. But that buy signal is failing. All right. So we don't have anything here longs, real longs that we can trade. All right. So there are no longs right now. All right. I know we have some shorts. Crude oil, right? Crude oil It's continuing to trade lower. All right, so we are in this trade, crude oil, and then there was another trade. The S&P, yes, the S&P. Um, we'll see how that's doing. It's no S&P is no longer showing up here. All right, so we'll take a look at that with the markets moving a bit higher. Um, that might change the S&P. We'll keep an eye on soybeans, right? On soybeans. All right. Hey, Mary, welcome, Mary. We'll keep an eye on soybeans, but the best trade right now um, is live cattle is starting to give a sell short signal. You guys know we had been trading that long. All right. So, Bruce, you might want to keep an eye on the short here for live cattle. All right. Might get a pretty good short out of this. All right. So live cattle, um, lean hog. Look at lean hog right here. All right. But just again, trade lightly, be careful. But I think crude oil might be the best trade, short trade, and overall perhaps the best trade right now in futures. The US 30. We've got pretty good support and resistance on the US 30, guys, on the 60-minute time frame. We still have a short here, right? If the markets continue, like I said, we had buying today, but we got pretty good resistance right here, right? Resistance and support. If we get buying come in today on a big green candle, all right, well, not today, but at any time, if that happens on the daily time frame here, we could see we break resistance. If we get a buy signal here, guys, if the price breaks resistance, I'm gonna go ahead and turn the buy on here. So we'll turn on both the long and the short. So if it breaks through that resistance, we get a buy signal. We'll call that. All right. We'll call that. I know Dean, you were watching that for a possible buy. So that's a great idea. If we do get a buy signal, all right, on the 60-minute, we'll call that as a trade. Okay. All right, on Monster US 30. All right, Monster US 30. Cryptos is still holding. All right, Bitcoin is still holding at right at 28,000, so no change there. All right, let's take a look at the trades in Monster Systems tracker. All right, let's take a look at. We'll take a look at the longs. Oh, come on. Oh, there we go. All right. All right. So USD MXN. All right. Buy signal was here. Here we are, guys. We've got a white candles here, right? Trading near the lows. I would keep an eye on this. If anyone is in this, all right, this is in Monster Scalper. Keep an eye on this with the dollar index giving a sell signal. All right. You guys could get a red candle here or a sell signal on USD MXN. So just keep an eye on it. Hopefully, buyers come back in. All right. And we can keep moving higher, but keep an eye on it. EUR CZK, that's holding nicely here. Purpose support and resistance, but that's fine. All right. All green candles, nothing to do. Buy signal was right here. All right. Right here. EUR HUF, white candles right here. Buy signal was right here. Good trade going here. All right. Let's move this up here. All right. So here is EUR CZK. So that's holding. Buy signal was right here. Holding, moving nicely. All right. EUR HUF, right? White candle here. All right. This should hold. This should hold. We should get buyers to come back in. All right. And move higher. EURPLN, EURPLN, white candle here. It's holding. If you guys get a green candle, it's trading below resistance right here. So get a red candle, get out. Otherwise, just hold it. It's part of that Euro group, so it could hold. Pound CAD, guys. Pound CAD. Did anyone get into Pound CAD? This was a new pairs, right? Buy signal here. I think we gave out this buy signal last night. Buy signal here. This was a pretty previous Pound CAD trade. New buy signal. It's moving higher. Pound PLN. Right? Pound PLN. Mary, is this the one you were in that we looked at earlier? Was that pound PLN? I think you had a PLN. Which?
Yes, it was.
Okay, it was. Okay.
I still haven't
Um,
quite understood. I called the forex.com and they said it was because the market closed at 5 and the price had dropped, but I didn't see the price drop.
yeah, I don't see where it dropped either. Your stop when you I would just say this, right? When you put a stop loss, I wouldn't put it. I don't think I don't know why you would have gotten stopped out. It doesn't look like if your stop loss was in this area here, down in this area, I don't see why you would have gotten stopped out. But um, and this is for everyone. If you guys want to put a stop loss, I wouldn't put it within the markup phase. Okay. If you okay, so this is the way you guys want to do your stop loss. It's your stop loss is a protective stop. All right. So here is where you got a buy signal right here, right? Buy signal right here. Okay, you can put a stop loss right here below your support. All right, so below your support would be right here. All right, so your buy signal is right here. Put your stop loss below here, so that if it fails, come on. All right. If it fails, then you've got a protective stop here. All right. This is where the system will get you out on a break of that support right here. All right. Once the price moves up, the candles move up into that markup phase, right? Then resistance here becomes support. So then you can move your support, your stop loss from here, Mary, to about right here. Okay. To below this support. Resistance becomes support. All right, so leave it here and then just let it go. I wouldn't mess around if you put it in, and I'm not saying that you got stopped out of that trade, but if you put it anywhere within the markup phase, right, that can happen because you can see here where you have a lot of big moves up and down, and that could kick you out of the trade. I'm not saying that's what happened, but just be careful because here you don't have clear. Just I wouldn't put it in this area. Once you're in the markup phase, just let it run and wait for your red candles, all right, or your sell signal to get you out. Okay, so all right, that makes sense, Mary.
Yes, it doesn't quite align with what I thought was my new trading strategy. I was trying to move up my stop loss as the price was moving up.
Yeah, I know you were looking. Yeah, you were doing a trailing, like a trailing stop, right? Right. It's just difficult to do. All right, in the markup phase. All right. All
Okay.
right. Yeah, it's just. I mean, if Yeah, it's just because you can get swings like this in the markup phase. All right. So just be careful. Like I said, if you're going to do it, put it below your support areas. Put it below your support areas. Even if you try to do it in this area in here, right? As the price moves higher, it's still tricky. It's still tricky. All right. We normally do not use a stop loss. Because we have the system, we can wait on this. We can wait for the system. All right. But I know traders want to do it. So if you're going to do it, just do it as a protective stop. I wouldn't recommend doing it as a trailing stop. Okay, as a trailing stop. All right. Okay. So pound ZAR is moving up nicely, guys. Look at that. Pound ZAR buy signal was here. Right. It's moving up nicely. All right. Aussie CAD is holding, right? So Aussie CAD is holding right here. Nothing to do, right? These were new picks we sent out. I think it was last night, was it? Yeah. So buy signal was here. Green candles, nothing to do. All right. That's Aussie CAD, Aussie Swiss. Aussie Swiss is breaking out. Look at Aussie Swiss right here, guys. Buy signal is here. It's breaking out right now. If you guys are not in it, all right, or if you miss the buy signal here, here is a chance to still get in. All right. So Aussie Swiss, that's looking really good. Okay. Aussie Swiss. All right. Nice markdown phase, guys. And it's looking good. All right. Let's open this up. Nice trade right here. All right. Aussie dollar, also good. We got a buy signal right here. Pull back a bit. All right. And now it's looking to break through that resistance. Another good one there. All right. So there are great opportunities, guys, in Forex. All right. New Zealand Swiss, we also added that. The buy signal was here. It's moving up nicely here. All right. And New Zealand dollar, also buy signal here. All right. We said that it was testing resistance here. You guys can get in here. All right. All right. So those are the longs. For Monster Scalper. And let's take a look at the shorts. All right, we've got two shorts. So EUR JPY, sell short signal here. It's still holding, guys. Still holding the short right here. All right. Hopefully we can test support down here and then break lower. And then here we were concerned about SGD JPY. We had a white candle come in here. And guess what? Sellers came back in, red candles here, nothing to do. All right. So just hold on to that trade. A lot of movement. All right. But guess what? Keeps going lower, keeps going lower. Okay. Sell short signal right here, keeps going lower. All right. So SGD, JPY, and Euro Yen, we still holding those. Okay. All right, in Monster Scalper. So great trades, nothing to close. All right, nothing to close. In Forex Dominator, we got 6 pairs long in Forex Dominator. Let's take a look at those. All right, it's on the daily time frame. All right, so EuroCAD is holding its buy signal right here. So green candles, nothing to do. EuroCAD, Euro SGD. All right. Buy signal is right here. White candles still holding, nothing to do. All right. Hopefully we can break through this resistance right here. Dollar CAD, watch out for dollar CAD. All right, watch out for dollar CAD. That dollar index gave us sell signal. Here is resistance right here. Resistance is right here. Here is the trade right here. All right. So if it breaks through this, right, get a white candle, break through this support in this area here, red candles, get a sell signal. Keep an eye on it. Hopefully, buyers can come back in, get a green candle, and keep moving higher. So that's dollar CAD. All right, dollar CAD. USD SEK, red candle, get out of this one, guys. All right. USD SEK. All right. We have a sell signal on that dollar index. So be careful with these dollar pairs, especially when they give you a red candle. So USD SEK, we'll close that one, get out of that one. Okay. USD SEK, get out of that one. All right. Pound CAD is holding nicely. All right. Holding nicely. Buy signal was here. It's moving higher. Looking to break through the highs here, and we could see pound CAD move higher. All right. Pound SGD, same thing. Buy signal here, pull back a bit. All green candles looking really nice. Okay. And I think those are the longs for Forex Dominator. All right. Let's go over the shorts, and then we'll look at opportunities. All right. So Forex Dominator, these are the shorts here. All right. So Aussie CAD, guys, Aussie CAD, white candles here, sell short signal here. All right. We need sellers to come back in, just like the yen pairs. Sellers to come back in, push it down. All right. Nothing to do if you guys get a green candle, get out. White candles, just watch them closely here. So Aussie CAD, Aussie Swiss, still in the markdown phase. Price has pulled up, but just hold. No green candles, no white candles yet. Aussie yen is still holding here. All right, and Aussie dollar, same thing. All right, so we need sellers to come back in, continue through the markdown phase. New Zealand Swiss. All right, New Zealand Swiss looks very much like Aussie CAD. New Zealand Swiss right here. White candles, we need red candles to come back in. All right, sellers to come back in. Here's a sell short signal here, so we're trading right at that sell signal. Be careful with these, guys. All right, we were hoping that these pairs would be farther down the markdown phase, but we've got some support right here. All right, support right here. All right, so just be careful. You get a green candle, get out quickly. Don't wait for the green candle to close though on the daily time frames. All right, so you guys get green candles coming in. We don't have a lot of traders trading Forex Dominator. All right, but just be careful. Just be careful. Monster futures, short. We don't have any longs. All right. I was hoping, and Bruce, you'd ask for gold. All right. We don't see any gold here. And that's surprising, right? Because gold is moving higher and we don't see any gold in here. Hey, Bruce, do you see any gold on your end? I know the data is a little different because we subscribe to different data. Do you see any gold on yours?
Yeah, there was a little bit of gold in there, though it didn't have a buy signal, but it was on the list, David. And I mean, it pretty much emulates the ETF, right? So from my standpoint, if the ETF gives a buy signal, it's kind of like saying it's okay to buy in the future side, just my 2 cents. But
yeah. How many do you have? How many gold
symbols do you have? I've just got one of them for the for the most current contract
Okay.
period.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay. Thanks. Thanks.
Yep, you bet.
Okay. All right. Perfect. Okay. So let's go back here. All right. So we've got let's see here. That's the S&P, right? Here, let me just make sure. Yeah, the S&P. The market's been, it was up today. So just be careful on this S&P. All right. So it's holding support right here. So you get, I would say you get a green candle, get out of that. All right. And then the better trade is the oil trade, right? So crude oil, in the futures market, that's trading nicely, trading below pretty good support right here. All right. Trading okay. All right. So those are the only trades. Okay. Um, let's see here. All right. You guys know about Bitcoin, right? Is moving higher. Monster short. Let's see how these trades did today. AR. All right. Let's see here. ARGT short in monster short. All right. Still holding here. DAX pulled up a bit. Market was up today. All right. But still holding near the sell short signal. And EPU, same thing here. Sell short signal here. All right. Buyers came in, still have a red candle, but buyers came in today. All right. But again, nothing to do yet. Nothing to do yet. Gold, GLD. We're trading gold in Monster ETF, and I'll show you guys what's going on in Monster ETF. So here's GLD, right? GLD gold buy signal was here. We got this buy signal yesterday. Was it yesterday? No, on Friday last week. I'm sorry, Friday last week, and still holding, moving higher here. All right. So this buy signal came in last week on gold. And sniper traders, or was sniper trades. Let's see here. We close these here. AAL. Let's do it here. AAL, we close that. INTC, Intel, we close that. And then we're still holding Google. Hopefully we'll get a move on Google. All right, so we're still holding that. And then the short BAC, all right, we got out of that. Nothing in US 30. Like I said, we're holding to see to see the US 30 break out. All right, I want to show you guys, and then we'll take a look at Monster Scalper and Forex Dominator. We're seeing a lot of, if you guys look here, this is in Monster ETF. Okay, and gold, if you guys look here, all right, GDXJ, these are ETFs, guys. We can also trade, all right, and get a trade going in gold. We've seen a lot of gold come up here. All right, so here's gold, junior miners, right? All right, moving higher here. No buy signal yet on this one. Here's another one here. Same thing, buy, right? No buy signal yet. Here's another one. I just want to show you guys. Here's another one here. This one has a buy signal. So gold is absolutely making a move. All right. Here is another one here. Gold, silver. All right. And let's see here. Where's another gold? Here's another gold here. All right. Here's another gold. All right. So gold is definitely making a move. Credit Suisse, silver. All right. and gold right here. All right. And then precious metals. Okay. So we track about almost 800. I believe now 800 ETFs. And that's what's coming up, guys. And it's mainly gold. Mainly gold. All right. This here is the dollar bearish ETF, dollar bearish. And is giving as that dollar gave a sell signal today, all right, this dollar bearish ETF, right? Where is it? Hold on. Is moving higher. This is not a trade, but just to show you guys right here, right? US dollar bear. All right. So as the dollar is going down, look what's happening here. Right? This dollar bearish ETF here is moving higher. Okay. All right. Okay. Any questions on this? Any questions on that? All right. All right. Let's go over, see if we've got any new picks, and then we'll go over any pairs that you guys are trading, any symbols you want me to take a look at. All right. 1 second here. Any questions, guys? Any questions for me?
No, all good, David.
All right. Dean, your Eurozone made a move today, didn't it?
Yeah, bumped up again.
Good job holding it. Did you scale up? You
Yes, I
scaled
did.
up again?
I
Okay.
did.
Good job. All right. 1 second, guys. All right, let's take a quick look at that. We'll wait. All right, I'm bringing in another chart here, guys. 1 second. Okay, let's see here. Okay. All right, so this is it here, Dean. Eurozone. So you added on this break here, this break of resistance right here?
Exactly. Yes, I did.
Okay, good. Good job. Good job. All right. So I know we are looking for, where is it? Right here. You see how it's, boy, you're approaching, this is on the monthly time frame. So this could really turn out to be, here's the high, this is where it closed here. So we'll keep looking at this here for you. This is where it closed. So you're not far from that all-time high here. All right. I mean, look at that. This move started, if we bring this down all the way down here. So this move started about on the monthly time frame 2008, 2006. Let's say right here where it made a low here, 2005, 2006, and look at this move. Look at that. Look at that move, right? 2005 to it's been going not straight up, but it's definitely been going up, right? This was the low here, 2005, 2006. So we are definitely at the all-time highs here. Here's your all-time high. So this is how far you are from the all-time high. Okay, right here. All right, so we don't count that because this is not where it closed, right? This is where it closed right here. So just hold on, right? Just hold on, then. Just hold on and keep adding the way you're doing, right? Don't get too aggressive with it, all right? Just
No,
keep.
yeah, I'm just staying within the same increments.
Good,
I might
good.
scale in.
Good, good, good. So just watch this area here. So a number for you would be 20.2526. All right. All right. 20.2526. If you could get above that area, you could see it really take off, right? Really, really take off. All right. So keep an eye on that. I know you will. Let's see here. So we're looking for opportunities in. All right, so we are already in Aussie dollar. All right, Aussie dollar. Nothing there yet. Aussie, New Zealand. Aussie Swiss, we're already in that one. If you guys are if you guys are not in that one, Aussie Swiss in Monster Scalper, you should get into that trade, guys. Okay. Aussie CAD. All right, Aussie CAD. We're in that one also. That's a good one too. New Zealand dollar also. All right, New Zealand Swiss. New Zealand Swiss. Are we in New Zealand Swiss? Let's see here. Yes, we're New Zealand Swiss. Okay, we're already in that one. New Zealand dollar. We said yes. New Zealand Swiss, New Zealand dollar, and let's see what we have in New Zealand CAD. So New Zealand CAD, nothing. We did not get into this trade. We'll see. We'll keep an eye on it. We got white candles here. We'll see if it develops into a trade, but nothing there. All right. We'll look at the yen pairs for shorts. All right. Dollars are nothing there. Right. Nothing in the dollar pairs long. Right. The euro pairs, let's see what we've got. Right. So euros are no, we should have gotten on that trade. Euros are, why didn't we get on that trade? I think we missed that. Did we? Oh, it did not have a buy signal. I don't think it had a buy signal when we looked at it last night. All right. So we missed that. Too bad. Good trade here going, especially with the oh, how many pips is that? That's too far. You know what? We'll take this trade. It's with what's going on the daily, on the monthly. I think we could get a move. So we're gonna add this one. Okay, so euros are it is a little high, guys. Right? Ideally, we want it, in this area here, right? But it's right here. All right, it might get a bit of a pullback. All right, but let's see. When did this buy signal come in? Yeah, that looked like that came in early morning. Okay, so we'll add it. EURs are euros are long. All right, euros are long in. I really like this trade. Euros are. You are. All right, euros are. Here it is. Okay. So we'll add it. EURs are in Monster Scalper, guys. All right. right. EURCHF. EURCHF. All right, let's see here. All right. EURCHF. Did anyone get into this? EURCHF? Really good trade going here.
Yes,
This
I did. Yes, I did.
You did? Good job, Mary. Good job. This happened overnight. When did you get in, Mary? What time? Do you remember?
Probably early this morning.
Early this morning. Yeah, this came out early this morning. All right. It's a little high. Here's the buy signal here. All right. We won't get into this one, but good trade. Good job. Good job catching it. And you caught it at the buy signal, Mary?
Just yes.
Okay. Good job. Good job. Hold on to it. Hold on to it. You do not have any support and resistance lines. All right. So it's not slowing down. All right. So it's moving nicely for you. All right. When you get support on your resistance lines automatically, then you know it's slowing down a bit. Then you can pay close attention to it. All right, or closer attention to it, but nothing to do. Let it run. Let it do its thing. Do not put in any don't put in any trailing stops. Okay. All right. So, good job. Good job. Good job. All right, and that is Euro Swiss. Euro CAD. Guys, keep an eye out on Euro CAD. No buy signal yet, but it will probably follow the others and give a buy signal. Okay, so keep an eye on it. And same with Euro Aussie. Same with Euro Aussie. Okay. Pound ZAR moving up nicely. All right, and we're in that one. We're in pound ZAR. All right. So pound ZAR, that's moving up nicely right here. All right. Pound dollar. We're not in that one. That's moving up nicely. I think we got out here on this red candle. Okay. Could have definitely gotten back in here. All right. Pound SGD. We're not in that one. We are going to add it. Okay, guys. So we can add pound. The pound pairs are moving. Okay. So pound GBP. All right. SG. SGD. You guys don't have to take all of these, but just take the ones that you like, and then learn as we go through this. This is why we do this, so you guys can learn. How we look for opportunities. So pound SGD in Monster Scalper. All right. So we'll add that. All right, we'll add that also. GBP PLN, we're already in it. Buy signal was here. It's all the way up here. Pound. Keep an eye on pound NZD, guys. It could give a buy signal. All right. Looking to test resistance here. So it could give a buy signal. Okay. Pound is NZD. All right. GBP HKD. All right. We got on this red candle here. You guys could have gotten in here. All right. Pretty choppy. Pound Swiss. Buy signal here. All right. Buy signal here. Did anyone trade pound Swiss? Anyone trading pound Swiss? Anyone trading pound Swiss? All right. We don't have it as a selection here, but good move in pound Swiss. Good move in pound Swiss. All right. Pound CAD. We trading pound CAD. I would say it's still good to get in pound CAD. Buy signal is here. All right. Trade is right here in Monster Scalper. Still good to get in pound CAD. And pound Aussie. All right. Keep an eye on pound Aussie, guys. Right. No buy signal yet. All right. Green candles, break resistance. This could be a good trade. All right. In pound Aussie. So pound pairs are definitely moving. Nice moves in pound, in the pound pairs. All right. So that's on the long side. Let's take a look at the short side. We'll look for signals in the dollar, right? In the dollar to go short, and based on what is going on. All right, we are already trading some of the yen pair short. All right, we're going to add NZD JPY short in Monster Scalper on the 240. Here's the short signal here. Here is the price here. All right, crazy price action, but we'll take this. All right, so NZD JPY short. In Monster Scalper. All right. All right. HKD JPY, that's already gone. All right. Pound yen, don't do anything with pound yen. Euro yen, we're already trading this. Swiss yen, all right. Swiss yen, that's moving lower. CAD yen, that's moving lower. All right. And we're in this one already. Aussie yen, that's moving lower also. Good trade. That's I thought we were, no, we're not in this one. We're trading this one in Forex. We're trading Aussie yen short in our Forex dominator. All right, let's take a look at the dollar pairs. Hopefully we can find some shorts in the dollar pairs. One second here. All right, let's see here. Here's the short. I think that's gone too far. So USD SGD. All right, nothing here. Nothing. All right, I was hoping the dollar pairs would be ready. They're not quite ready yet. All right. I would keep an eye on dollar CAD, guys. Keep an eye on dollar CAD. We could get a sell short signal here on the break of this support right here. All right. So this is the best looking one here. All right. Dollar CAD right here. So if you break supports right here, right, could get a sell short signal. So dollar CAD, keep an eye on dollar CAD. All right. Keep an eye on dollar CAD. And nothing here. All these are longs. All right. Let's take a quick look at Forex Dominator. Forex Dominator. Longs. You know, we have nothing here. Nothing here. Keep an eye on EURTRY, guys. EURTRY, right? You can get a buy signal right here. EURCZK. 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 Let's see here. Do we have EURCZK? Are we in this? EURCZK. No. Okay, so we'll add this in Monster in Forex Dominator. All right. All right, so EURCZK in Forex Dominator right here. All right, buy signal here is holding nicely. All right, purple support and resistance, but I think we can get past that. All right, so EURCZK, long in Forex Dominator, guys. All right. EuroCAD, we're already in that one in Forex Dominator. And then Euro Aussie, all right, Euro Aussie, that's gone. All right. All right, let's take a look at the pound. Pounds are, that's gone. Keep an eye on pound dollar. The pound pairs are moving, guys. So if you get a buy signal here, all right, in pound dollar, all right, pound SGD. All right, we're already in that one. So we're in that one here. All right. All right. GBP PLN. Nothing there. Pound New Zealand. That's gone too far right here. All right. Pound HKD. Keep an eye on this one here, guys. We could get a buy signal. All right. The pound pairs are moving nicely. Same with pound Swiss. Okay. Dean, keep an eye on the pound pairs. Okay, bud.
Yeah.
Pound CAD. We're in this one already. Pound CAD. This one looks good too. All right. Pound Aussie. All right. Pound Aussie. We're not in this one here. It's gone up too far, but boy, it looks good. I wish we had gotten in right here. Can't get into everything, right? But it's got good resistance right here, right? So that should break out, and that could be a really nice breakout. Okay. All right. So let's take a look at the shorts. Keep an eye on dollar yen short. All right. If you get a sell short signal here, dollar yen. All right. SGD JPY, we'll add that. SGD JPY short in Forex Dominator. All right, here it is right here. Sell short signal, it's right here. All right, and these yen pairs, guys, look here in Forex Dominator, we have new downs. Here's a new down, new down, new down. Okay. Nothing here. All right. I don't like this as much. A lot of consolidation there. All right. CHF, another short CHF. You see how these come in, guys? That's why we have to look at these every day. CHF, JPY in Forex. Just pick one or two. Short. All right. CAD yen. All right. CAD yen. I would wait for CAD yen. This is a good short here. Hold on 1 second here. That's the weekly. That's the monthly here. See what it did the last time, guys? All right, look here. White candles made a high. All right, test support, red candles. All right, that looks good for a good short. All right, even if you can get it back down in this area here. All right, so we'll add that one CAD yen. Here it is here at the sell short signal right here. All right, if it breaks that support right here, it could go much lower. So CAD yen, and this is in Forex Dominator. All right, just give them room to run. Aussie yen, another one here. We'll add this one, and we'll track them. All right, pick one or two. All right, all these are longs. And the pound pairs are all moving higher. Okay, so no shorts there. All right, we're gonna take a quick, let's go another 5 minutes. I want to see what's happening in Stock Boss just quickly. We have about the same amount of symbols in Stock Boss, so nothing major. Might get lucky. All right, nothing there. Let's take a look at Bull Master quickly, and then we'll be done. Nope. All right, if anyone wants to take, this is good for calls, right? If the market, you have to just be careful. This is a good one here for calls. All right, it's holding nicely here. All right, holding nicely. The market is up, might get a move in this. And this one is CR. We traded this before. CRWD. CRWD. No one is in this, right? I thought someone was in this. Bruce, were you in this CRWD, or was it Solomon? Someone was in this.
I was in it for a while, but got out of it.
You got out? Yeah. So it's looking good. It's holding. All right. Nothing here. We can get selling back into this market anytime. So just be careful with equities. All right. We don't have any equity positions. All right, guys. We've got a lot of opportunities in Forex Dominator and in Monster Scalper too. Okay. All right. Any questions for me? Any symbols you guys want me to take a look at? Any symbols? Any symbols? No. Okay. All right. Good job. All right. Mary,
Dave.
hold on to that trade.
Dave, a quick
Yes.
question. We're still holding Google?
Google, yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, we're still holding. Just stay close to your phone. I know it has earnings on Wednesday, I believe.
Okay.
But the price action looks really good. And this was an extra trade, right? So this was number 4. We normally don't do that, but it was really good volume so they send it out, you know. So we it looks good. Where is it here? Let's see here. Yeah, so we're still holding it. Where is it? Hold on. But stay close.
Okay.
So here it is here on the 60-minute. All right. and it's just building up nicely. Okay, so we just need a nice pop. It is on the 60-minute time frame here. All right. Let's see. Let's see the daily. Right. It's on the daily. Buyers came in here strong. All right. Pretty good resistance right here. Right. Really good resistance. So we're trading above that resistance. All right. Support is right here. So not a bad setup. All right. Not a bad setup, but good. Got good buying in the options. Okay. So this was we normally don't get an extra trade from the company. Let's see here, and then here is the monthly time frame with a white. That's a it's not a green candle, but it held support here, and here it is right here. So, all right, so just waiting for a pop. All right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good.
Thanks.
All right, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow, and we will do this again. Hopefully, we'll find some more opportunities. Okay. All right, guys. Take care.
Take
See you
care.
tomorrow. Bye bye.